Hello, this is Tariq, and today we are going to learn human body parts. So let's get started. First one, S-A-R, sir. Sir. How to say in Urdu? Sir. Sir. Have you ever heard S-I-R? Sir, the same pronunciation is this one, sir, S-A-R, sir. In original Urdu, seen, re, sir, seen, re, sir. So, sir, sir, okay. Second one, chehra, 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 C-H-E-H-R-A, chehra, C-H-E-H-R-A, chehra. In original Urdu, che, he, re, he, chehra, 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 chehra. Okay. This one, peshani, 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 P-E-S-H-A-N-I, peshani, peshani, peshani. In original Urdu, pe, ye, sheen, alif, pesha, noon choti ni, peshani, 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 peshani. Bal, bal, B-A-A-L, bal, B-A-A-L, bal. In original Urdu, Be-alif ba lam, bal, Be-alif ba lam, bal. This one, aankh, 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 A-A-N-K-H, aankh, aankh, aankh. Let's say in original Urdu, alif madda, noon, kaaf, do chashmi hai, aankh, 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 aankh. If you want to say more than one I, so you have to say aankhe, aankhe, aankh. Okay. Bhave, bhave, B-H-A-W-A-I-N, bhave, 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 bhave. Let's come to original Urdu. Be, do chashmi hai, वाव, हमजा, ये, नून गुन्ना, भवे, भवे. So let's one more time we will pronounce quickly and you have to listen and repeat after me. So uh, today we are going to learn these 5 vocabularies. Today we are going to learn these 6 vocabularies. First one, sir, sir. Second one, chehra, chehra. Third one, peshani, peshani. Fourth one, baal, baal. And fifth one, aankh, aankh. And the sixth one, bhave, bhave. So these our today lesson, and in our next lesson we will learn more human body parts. So please wait for our new video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. I hope you will share this video. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye.